Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about a very important topic, and that is related to your all the campaigns. So the success of your campaign totally depends upon how much emails that are delivered it reaches to the inbox. So if the emails are not reaching to the inbox, so we need to check what all things are required to make sure that your email is delivered and it reaches to inbox. It is delivered and it is reaching to spam, so again that is not a success criteria. So for this, like, we have different marketing automation tools. So we'll be talking about SFMC. So how this domain reputation, how this sender reputation is important aspect to make sure that any email campaign that you're doing, that must be successful. So if you have set up a new enterprise level SFMC, you are setting up of a new BU business unit within that tenant. So what all things you need to make sure, so that you have a good domain reputation, you have a good sender reputation, and all the emails that are sent, they are reaching to the customers, they are landing into the inbox. Most of the things are normally automatically taken care by SFMC. So just like Can Spam Act, so there are many things that are taken care by SFMC, so that if you are going to send an email and it does not, or it violates the Can Spam rule, so SFMC makes sure that those emails are not being sent. So for example, if you talk about three things, one, if I talk about, and these all things are related to your domain reputation. So one is your delivery profile, another is your sender profile. So whenever you are going to create a sender profile, the first thing that you want to make sure is that sender profile needs to be registered. Without registration, it will not be. So SFMC will not allow it, and even if you're trying to do this, since it is not registered, all your emails will be landing in the spam. Or even the ISPs like Gmail, Yahoo, Bing, those all can block it. So we'll talk about all those things that are very important. So in SFMC, unsubscribe link, physical mail address, those are a required thing. So if you want, or if you by mistake try to send your email that doesn't contain this physical mail address and unsubscribe link, that you will not be able to send that email. Plus, data retention is very important part. Whenever you are creating any data extension, you have that option for how many days you are going to retain that data. So these all things, I mean, it is taken care in SFMC platform, so that we are compliant with the Can Spam rule. Apart from this, we need to make sure if it is a new domain. So IP warming is one of the concept through which we make sure that all these ISPs like Gmail, Yahoo, they are aware. So we just make a list in which we have our subscribers, and first of all, when we send an email to these subscribers, we have a open rate, so they don't click on the spam folders. Or first thing, if you want to say that they don't complain. So whenever there is an email in your inbox and you are saying that this is an spam, so that is a complaint to the ISP provider. So if it is in Gmail and you are saying that is a spam, so it is a complaint. So if there are many complaints or there are few complaints, your domain reputation is not good. And again, based upon the complaints, Gmail, Yahoo, these email service providers, they will start making those emails in spam, putting those emails in spam based upon the customer complaint. So we need to make sure that initially or even if a domain has a good reputation, we don't do these mistake sending emails to the people who are unsubscribes, or they have block list as an option, so that like our domain reputation, if it is good, it should not be deteriorate. Then list hygiene, if we talk about, so again, the list should contain all the people who are subscribers and who have been clicking our emails, opening our emails. Again, this has also been taken care by SFMC. So in SFMC, we have a list called all subscriber list. So before sending any email, we always check in the all subscriber list the status of the user. If it is active, then only the email is sent. If it is in bound state, if it is in held state, then we don't send. So again, sending an email to people who have unsubscribed or who have blocked, so it will again affect your domain reputation. Then we have authentication. Again, authentication is also a very important part, and we have certain headers through which the authentication is done between different ISP providers from marketing cloud. So again, this is also taken care by SFMC. So authentication part, we don't need to worry. In terms of list also, if something is unsubscribed in our list and we have targeted it, it will not send that email to that unsubscribed contact. Then we have spam traps. And in spam traps, again, we should be aware of all the keywords that are considered as spam in different email service provider, whether it is Yahoo, Bing. So they have this list of spam traps, like you should not put test, you should not put sales, should not put reply. So all those keywords, because again, that is being taken care by those service providers. So the moment they will see that these keywords are present, automatically they will put into the spam. So in a survey, only 21% of the email that are sent, they are able to reach to inbox. All others are again put into spam, or they are not able to reach to the inbox. Then we have engagement. So if we want to make sure that IP reputation, domain reputation, sender reputation is proper and it is again increased properly, so engagement part should be taken. So even if a user is a subscriber, he is opening your email, we should be able to engage him with number of, so we should have a survey funnel, we have a sale funnel through which the lead should be nurtured, and again it will also increase the domain reputation. Content plays a very important role. So again, the content should be good enough to engage your users. Then we talked about if the permission is very much allowed. If I am saying that I am not interested in the particular email, I have unsubscribed, so that email should not be sent to the unsubscribed person. That also affects the sender reputation or domain reputation. And finally, the most important thing is the frequency. Even if I sent you an email continuously or after some time in a day 4 or 5 times, you will also be not interested to receive that email, and that also affects. So you will either make it in a spam, mark it as a spam, or you will either block it. So these things are responsible for updating your domain reputation. So friends, this is all about sender reputation that is used in SFMC. Make sure that whatever email or campaign we are going to strategize, we are going to plan, it should take these points in consideration, so that reputation is also improved and our leads or our contacts are engaged properly, so that these ISP providers, either Gmail, Yahoo, they don't put the email in spam. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.